Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to do some country style pork ribs on the Pit Boss. I'm not going to bore you with me putting the rub on it. We're just going to get going. I've already got the rub on it. Just put some mustard, some of your favorite rub, and you're good to go. So let's get with it. Okay, we've got the Pit Boss set at 250 degrees, and I've got my country style ribs over here. We've already got the rub on them, and we're going to get them in the smoker. Just get them lined up there. Kind of like doing pork ribs, but country style ribs are a lot meatier, and man, they taste just as good. So we'll get these lined up, we'll get them closed up and let them go for a couple of hours and go on from there. Squeeze these down a little bit so they all fit. Okay, that's it. We'll close them up. Let them smoke for a couple hours. We'll be right back. Okay, we're 1 hour in. I'm going to be dropping some smoked salsa in there, or some tomatoes to make salsa. I'm going to spray these with apple juice. In here, I'm going to throw these in here. I don't know if you see my other smoked salsa video, but it's the first batch of the season, or the new year. So here we go, another hour. Okay, we are 2 hours in, and I'll get these off so we can wrap them up. Up so my smoked salsa can keep going. Change these a little bit. Okay, just like you do ribs. Pork ribs. Add some butter. And some brown sugar. And some honey. Okay, then we're going to get these wrapped up. Got a double foil here. I'm going to get them wrapped up. I'll be back in a second here. Wrapped one way, and then we're going to wrap them this way. Kind of tight, not too tight. These do have bones in them. We don't want to poke holes in the foil. Okay. And we will we'll get them back on the smoker. Still running at 250. Okay, we're gonna let those go for an hour. Okay, these have been wrapped for 1 hour. Get them off of here. See how they're doing. Boy, those smell really good. Let's check your temperature. 88, 89. Okay, we're gonna put some barbecue sauce. I thinned out a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Put it in the microwave to heat it up so you don't put it on cold. And we'll get these on with some barbecue sauce for another 20 to 30 minutes. I'll probably, after about 15 minutes, I'll come out and turn them and sauce them and put them back on. So let me get this juice cleared out. Up the first layer of foil and the bone punctured through there. So that let me get all the juice out of there. So now I can get the barbecue sauce on them. Won't bore you with all of this. I'm gonna get the barbecue sauce and get them back on. Be right back. Okay, we got the sauce on them. Throw them back on. So I got the sauce on one side. That's why I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and turn them over. Okay, see you in about 15. Turned and sauced, and man, they look beautiful. Can't wait, 10 or 15 more minutes. Time to get these off. Man. Nice. Boy, they look delicious. How's that for a plate of ribs? Let's get them inside. Okay, here's the country style rib. Look at that smoke ring. Boy, that's beautiful. This is gonna taste great. Hey, thanks for watching. Go out and get you some country style ribs. Put them on your smoker and enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Come back again, we'll have more. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.